Hey guys, welcome to the workout today. We're going to take 3 minutes just to get some blood flow to the muscles and help loosen you up. We're starting with high knees, okay? I just want you driving those knees up as high as you can, and your arms are going eye to hip. Your hand is going eye to hip, okay? Next, we're going to do a heel raise. So you're still driving the knees up, but you're bringing the heel up to the glutes, okay? Same idea here, okay? Just getting that knee high and that heel high as well. All right, good job, everyone. Next, we're going to open up the hips a bit by going up, over, down. Okay, we're just alternating legs here. Up, over, down, up, over, down. All right, now we're going to switch to out, over, down, out, over, down. Okay, we're just kind of doing it in reverse motion here. All right, good job, everyone. All right, next we're just doing these arm swings. We're just swinging them back and forth. We're just loosening everything up. This is a great workout to do if you have a job where you're sitting a lot and you just need to get up, take a little break, and get some blood flow, okay? Next, we're going into washing machines, okay? You're just going back and forth. You're going to twist back as far as you can, okay? And just nice and loose. Don't force it, but you're just like each time you'll go a little bit further. Okay, now I'm going to have you sit on the ground and your legs are out in front of you with a slight bend in your knees. I want you to grab the inner part of your foot and pull back as hard as you can, okay? As you pull back, as you see, I just switched my hands to change the angle up a little bit, but as you're pulling back, I want you to round out that back. Just spread those shoulder blades apart as far as you can. This is a great back stretch. Okay, next we are going into the butterfly stretch, okay? That's that kind of more that inner thigh area. I know a lot of us get tight here. So I want you to bring your feet together and pull them as close to your body as you can, however close that is. And I want you to push your chest to your feet, okay? I don't want you putting just your nose to your toes. I want you to really focus on pushing that chest forward, okay? That keeps your back nice and straight. All right, good. Next, we're going to go into a glute stretch. So you got one leg straight and the other leg you're going to cross over and you're going to pull that knee as close to your body as you can. It's kind of like you're giving your knee a hug, okay? And you just pull on that. Pull it as close as you can to your chest. All right, perfect. Good job, guys. This is just a quick 3-minute thing you can do anywhere, okay? Anytime you're feeling tight or you need to loosen up, you need to get blood flow to the muscles, this is something simple you can do. All right, go out and make it a great day.